Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cathy Borrero, a.k.a. Cosambella. This dress I got from my mom and I'm going to adjust it to me because it's really big, as you can see. First thing I'm going to do is cut the sides of the dress. A little ironing, but no sé planchar. So I put on the dress inside out so I can adjust the dress to my size. It would be better if I had a tailor dummy, but I don't have it. I'm still searching for one. So I think I took 1.5 centimeters on each side. Above the hem, I'm going to leave it 14 centimeters open. So I realized after I've done the dress that it was a little bit short for me. So I'm going to combine it like with a little short or maybe a skirt under it. I don't know. I like how it turned out. It's a loose summer dress. It's a bit short, as you can see, but I will wear shorts with it. I'm going to sew some darts on the breast part because I saw it was a bit too big for me. So that's the next step. After that, make sure they are on the same height and they have the same length. It has been a long time ago that I did some darts, so I'm okay with the results. It can be better, but you know what they say, practice makes perfect. Now I'm going to give the open parts of the dress a double fold hem. As you can see, they're really small, so it's more or less like 6 millimeters. To sew the opening parts of the dress, I'm going to do it in one big stitch. So I started sewing on the front part and until the end of the opening. I leave the needle down, put the foot up, turn the dress, stitch 2 centimeters. Then I leave again the needle down, the foot up, and turn again the dress. And then I start sewing again the back part of the dress. So here is a little example of what I did. I hope you understand because it's really difficult to explain. Y obviamente quedó como una cosa bella.